So he takes a nice strong stance from me, makes a double fist, pushes in, and he wants to push and feel my back foot. So he's pushing into my back foot a little bit. Initially, he wants to push hard enough to feel my base, and then you can ask your partner to push harder as you go. Now, I want you to take your fingers, and there's a wrap on the top of his tension, and pull magnetically on his tension. Because if his mind is extending to my foot, his mental body is extended. So there's already a gap between his mental body, his energy, and his physical tension. So by him doing that, he's formed a gap. So it becomes easy to do. If, let's say, you grounded yourself and soften that, then I've got to work to make this happen. Then I've got to play with the center, and I've got to do all this navigating and push hands and competing and all that nonsense. We don't want any of that nonsense. What we want to do is create a condition where the phenomena is available, train the phenomena, understand it, and go, that's why it works. So he pushes on me. Now, because his mind is extended, the consciousness, the energy, and the body are slightly layered and separate. Now I take that tension and I pull on it. And then he withdraws, and I pull on it again, and there's a reaction there, but not much. Now you extend your mind, and as soon as his consciousness projects, he's highly vulnerable. The phenomena takes place. As soon as he goes, no, I'm going into center, I've got to work hard to affect him. So switch between extending your mind into your partner, withdrawing your mind.